Hey traders, this is Scott Barkley. Hey, I just finished a great new video. As you know, I put short little videos up there to help you on your journey, and this one's especially great. But my goal is to turn your pains into gains. After all, I wrote the book, The Empowered Forex Trader, Turning Pains into Gains. So I'm going to get out of here and we'll get right into the video. Okay, this is frustration number 3. We're solving the frustrations of being a Forex trader. And frustration number 3 is difficulty in analyzing market data. All right? So keep it simple. You don't need all the data, only what is relevant for today. What data do I need to know? I need to know direction. I need to know where I am in the current move. Where is the target for today? What barriers are in the way of the target, and can the MACD confirm the above? So simplify. This is from the CIA, all right? They're saying with an experienced analyst, obtaining additional information generally does not improve the accuracy of his or her estimates. Additional information does, however, lead the analyst to become more confident in the judgment to the point of overconfidence. You don't want that in trading. Analysts actually use much less of the available information than they think they do. So if the CIA is telling their people who look for spies to reduce the amount of data they're taking in, that should be pertinent to us in the Forex. All right. So retail traders complicate analysis, not simplify it. If you have the data you need, the chart will confirm with a high degree of certainty what the agenda is for today, and there is always an agenda. So your job is to identify the market maker's agenda, and this is why indicators do not work. They have no idea the agenda. So let's build a chart and see if we can identify the agenda. So I got a blank chart here on the Euro Yen. I'm on a 240-minute chart, all right? And all I'm trying to find here is the top and the bottom. So as you can see right there, we're in a big range, all right? So, all right, we're near the end. So we already know one piece of the information. We're close to the end of this move, all right? Next thing is the retracement fibs from the previous move, all right? And once you've got them, if they are respecting these levels, then you know you've got the right targets, all right? Now we put a channel on. Now we get direction. We're going down, and they must prove to you where the heart line is. Other than that, you can't set the bottom, in this case going down, the bottom channel. You don't know where it is, all right? But once they prove the heart line, you're good, all right? Now, next up is just Fibonacci extensions, which is 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3 from the last swing high, swing low, and that will give us the overall target for today right there, and the extensions in between that target. These are the barriers to the downside target. So you see the first one there. Once we broke this bottom up there, it was the 1,000 fib. What's the next one? The 1.270 fib. If we break that in the day chart bottom, we're going to the 1.618, all right? So there's the target for today, all right? MACD confirms the continuation is to the downside. There's the opportunity. It's already happened. There's the next one, and there's a possibility to the next one if it breaks the bottom, all right? Keep it simple. Do we do that? Direction, down. Where you are in the current move, near the end. Where is the target for today? Right there at the 1270 on the day chart bottom. What barriers are in the way of the target? The 1,000 fib. Can the MACD confirm the above? Yes, it can. It says you're going down. So keep it simple and successful. So we've trained bank traders, hedge fund traders, prop traders, and full-time professional traders. But most of our traders are just trying to supplement or replace their income in the fastest way possible. Our teaching programs and over 200 videos are designed to do just that. And of course, you can download my book, The Empowered Forex Trader, Strategies to Transform Pains into Gains, off of Amazon. We have proven methodology, we have award-winning software, and we have a great community of traders, some of which have been with me since 2005. So we'd love to have you watch us do this in real time in a live room. Just go to proacttraders.com, Sign up for a 10-day test drive and you can see traders making hundreds, if not more pips doing what this video is about. By the way, it's free. So don't forget to like us, share, and subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll get notified when I put another video up, and I'm always putting videos up. Hope that helps you. Have a great day, everybody.